Okay, so it's the 24th of October 2022. Felt really rough this morning, so why did I feel rough this morning? So I had shepherd's pie yesterday with onion in it. I also had lamb stock and gravy. I think they both had gluten in them, or wheat. So even though I had digestive enzymes, a glutenase, another enzyme, plus fodzine, it still gave me diarrhea this morning. And I felt really foggy, and I was sick of going to the gym every morning. So I've decided to take the colonoscopy prep, which is basically strong laxatives, so magnesium citrate. I took 10 Senna tablets at 2 p.m. Then I took a magnesium citrate sachet at 5 p.m. and then another half sachet at 7 p.m. And then probably by about 7 o'clock, I'd been to the bathroom a few times. And then the tension headaches that I have all the time, they've gone. The brain fog's gone. And so, yeah, it's really nice to know that there's a cause and effect. If I take strong laxatives, then I can think much more clearly. I mean, I am tired because I haven't eaten since this morning. So I had a bowl of cornflakes with coconut milk, and some summer fruits with coconut yogurt. So so I do feel a lot clearer. The only caveat to that is that I think I got a histamine reaction this evening, about 7 or 8. So I've got a bit tetchy, a bit irritable. My eyes weren't too sore though, so but yeah, I was just got a bit irritable, so that tends to be histamine. So that's just a watch out. But yeah, I just wanted to record this to say, yeah, I do feel miles better. I can think clearly. I am tired, but I haven't eaten since this morning. And it's now 10 o'clock. So I'm going to keep on going tomorrow and see how we do. And then I'll check in tomorrow. I'm not going to eat. I might need to take some more magnesium citrate. I think it may be 9 or 10 a.m. So I'll keep on going. So yeah, I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Bye. Morning, it's the 25th of October 2022. I decided to take strong laxatives, which is the same bowel prep for a colonoscopy yesterday, to clear out my bowels. So I took 10 Senna tablets at 2 p.m. Then I took a sachet of magnesium citrate at 5 p.m. and then a half sachet at 7 p.m. So I started having bowel movements around, I think, 6 or 7. And my brain fog started to clear around then. I kept on having bowel movements probably until like 9 or 10 p.m. last night. And I stopped eating yesterday morning. So I had a bowl of cereal, cornflakes, coconut milk, and some fruits and some coconut yogurt with some chia seeds on top of that. So I stopped eating. I think I finished eating about 9, 10 yesterday morning. I hadn't eaten anything for the rest of the day. So I am tired because I haven't had any food or energy, carbs or anything like that. But my brain fog has lifted, so I can think clearly. My headaches have gone, which is amazing. Just to have that feeling for even a few hours is amazing. So there's definitely a cause and effect between a clear bowel and being able to think clearly and the headaches. I think the issue now is that I'm tired because I haven't eaten anything for a day. So I'm just deciding whether I should carry on with not eating and take another half sachet at 9 or 10 this morning. Because if you're going to have a colonoscopy in the following afternoon, then you would need to have a sachet of this magnesium citrate 9 and 10 this morning. I think I probably should should have some food. I think it's just really important to see how I was last night, how I am this morning. I mean, I went to bed last night and I was just on my phone. You know, I was listening to stuff for too long, and my girlfriend was snoring away because she's pregnant at the moment. It's moving around quite a lot, so I didn't have the best night's sleep. And I always feel better when I don't have my phone near me, but I'm obviously tired now, so I think I probably should eat something. I might just have a coffee with coconut cream and some lion's mane, see if that does anything before I eat anything, and then I might try and not try keto again, but just try and keep to fats. So eat some cheeses, eat some meats for a little while, just so I feel like I've eaten something. And just go for that this morning and till lunchtime and see how I feel. So I'll check in again later. So I've just had a shower, I haven't shaved, so I look like a bit of a mess, but I do feel so much better than normal. It's really nice to be able to think clearly, even if I'm a bit tired. I don't have to push my brain to think. So yeah, it's I just know when I start eating carbs again, it'll go back to where we were. So I just don't know what the issue is. I'm still waiting for a SIBO test result. I'm waiting for a comprehensive stool sample back in early November, but it's all taking too long because I'm out of work at the moment. So I don't know what job I can do with the brain fog, but without the brain fog, I can do anything I want to do, as long as I have the energy from food to do it. So I don't know whether I need to do just I don't know, something in the short term to carry me through for the next few months whilst I figure out what's wrong with me. But anyway, I just wanted to record this and get it on video, so I know that by cleaning out my bowel, by taking magnesium citrate, my brain fog goes, my tension headaches go. In the evening, they carry on until next day. I am tired because I'm not eating food. I haven't had food for 24 hours. And that's just, yeah, that's an amazing feeling. So whenever I'm feeling like shit again, which may well be tomorrow or later today, I need to watch this video back as a reminder that there is a gut problem here. And I need to figure out what it is. It's a functional gut problem, so it's not physiological. There's not something, the shape or the actual gut itself. Actually, the shape, I was looking through my colonoscopy report yesterday again, and it did say there's extreme angulation in the left colon, which is I think the first part of the colon if you're going in for a colonoscopy, which means that there's a lot of drastic angles, so it's hard to get the instrument in the right places, which probably caused me the pain. Whether the extreme angulation means that bacteria get stuck in corners, which then grow and inflame the areas around it, that's a question for the GI. It also mentioned that because I have a cup and spill stomach, which is basically, I think, it's like a waterfall, something like a 2-part waterfall. So food comes in, but then gets stuck on a little nubbin before it kind of overflows into the main part of the stomach. And so for the endoscopy, which is going through the mouth, he was having issues getting past that, past the pyolicex or something like that, into the duodenum, which is the bottom of the stomach, and then beyond that to see what was going on. So that's the start of the small intestine. So I just wonder if my gut is particularly long or really angulated, then does that enable bacteria to grow in places it shouldn't be? And then I'm more likely to have things like SIBO as a result. I don't know. So yeah, all things to meander, to contemplate. So yeah, I'll speak to you again soon, probably later today, let you know how I'm getting on.